Cufflinks fam, what's up? We're almost at the end of 2023.
It's our final video for the year.
Final video for the year. Thank God we've made it this far.
Yeah, thank you to all our new subscribers.
Welcome to the Cufflinks fam.
Yes, thank you for returning residents. Turn out to the building.
Big ups guys.
And we hope to have you continue with us in the coming year. The rent don't go up, so invite somebody to come and be a part of the Cufflinks family. So like, share, and subscribe. And of course, drop your comments. Let us know how the year went for you. And let us know some of the things that you're looking forward to in 2024. So final video, we're dropping this along with some of the things that we've been doing from Christmas to now. It's been busy. It's been relaxing at some point. But it's been very busy. So we took a break, right after Vlogmas, we took a break. And we're closing out the 2023 with this video. And it's 2023, so I want to know 3 things that 2023 has taught you. 3 words to describe 2023. 3 things that stood out for you. I know you're going to find that one easy. Yeah, so 3 things we're doing. 3 things that stood out 2023. 3 words to define your 2023 or describe your 2023. And 3 things that 2023 has taught you.
Alright, let me start with has taught me. 2023 has taught me that, and this is a recurring lesson, and I learned it again in 2023, that purpose looks different at different times in your life, because boy, I tell you, God has been working. So that's 1. 2, I've learned that you have to get to that place in your life where you just leave people be. Meaning, we've always said it, but I learned it strongly this year, to not expect me in other people. Yeah, not expect me in other people. People will just be peopling. So you just have to take them as them come, pray for them, and move on. I love some people from afar. So that's 2. And number 3 would be that quality time spent is priceless, and to just live in the moment.
I think I am much more closer to like just do it. So there are a lot of things that I've had in the pipeline, and I think 2023 has taught me to go out and move them from the pipeline and bring them to action.
Can you help me?
Alright, that's gonna help you, okay?
You want to help me open it now?
Oh, you want to open it?
Christmas present still opening, guys.
Merry Christmas!
I think another thing 2023 has taught me is time waits for no man.
Yay!
When you look at these little ones, we measured them recently alongside the wall, where every year we try to measure them, and they're growing. They're really growing, and
I'm taller than you think.
yes, she's taller than you think, and it has taught us that precious time is going, and you have to use your time wisely. Yeah, it's not necessarily how you see it or how you think it is to be spent. It is much more than that. So to use your time wisely. And the 3rd thing for me is it's something that we've said over time, or I've said over time if you've been following me. I tell people I want to be known as a trying youth. Try and try and try and try and try again. Sometimes you're gonna have to try and start over and start over and start over, but just keep trying. So try, and not beat a failure, but a try.
Yeah. I know we talk about precious time.
This is real life, guys. Sorry.
Yeah.
Hi.
There you go, Mama.
Here.
Let Bria help you.
What must you say?
Thank you.
That's the 2nd time. One more time, and Daddy's not doing anything else for you.
Right.
Mannershill Valley. The 2nd thing is 3 words to define or describe your 2023.
Successful, fulfilling, and well spent. So I think for me it felt like I was able, and we were able to achieve a nice little, I wouldn't say balance, but balance for want of a better word. We're able to balance the scale better than we've had in the past.
One of the things we've always said is balance is achieved over time. It may not happen the same time, but it can be achieved over time. For me, interesting, eye-opening is a word. Yes, it's one word. Interesting, eye-opening, and I think fulfilling as well. I think, you learn a lot. Well, if you're willing to take the lessons that life throws at you. So that's why I would have said interesting. Eye-opening. I think this is one of the things you're going to be mentioning when 3 things that stood out. But even how I've seen things go for you in your new strides, it has been eye-opening. I'm just really grateful to God. Especially when we look at the books that have been sold off, and those that continue to be sold online. And what was the last one I said? Successful, fulfilling. If you walk in purpose, you may not get a profit that you want. You may have some pain along the way, but if your purpose is fulfilled, you know that you're doing it right, doing life right. It may not look glamorous all the while. It may not be rewarding, but it is fulfilling. And the impact over impressions. So we continue to have impact in different circles, and that is one of the things that God has told us to go for it and occupy, and we continue to occupy and spread our wings. And 3 things that stood out for you. All right, so let me tell you what she's going to say. She's going to say her acting debut, her book launch, and of course her man is so fine. What's the third one?
Oh, this year alone you're
What's
fine.
the third one? No, every year. What's the third one?
That not depend on this.
What's the third one then?
So acting.
So your acting debut.
The book.
Yeah, becoming an author.
Yeah, becoming an author. And my brand ambassador deal with the US based brand Scott. Yeah, that was
this year?
Yeah. It seemed long, not you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it started this year in July.
Oh, just July? Wow.
It has felt like a long time because we've done so much.
Yeah.
And they've literally become like, family. And they are just very impressed with the Jamaican style of content creation versus, how it's done in the US and all
your
of that.
work ethic.
Yeah, my work ethic.
Don't toot your own horn, I'll toot it for you. Right.
Yeah, so that has been good because it's my first collaboration with a US based brand, and I'm happy that they are happy and impressed and looking forward to a long and lasting relationship.
JP is like coffee light. I joke
And the emotion,
it's a sensor.
right? Yeah.
And for me,
guys, sorry, I'm not feeling well,
Yeah, we
so
hear
that's
it.
why I sound like that.
Yes.
Yeah.
3 things.
My
that
sinus is bothering
for
me.
Are you?
That is just what I joke. I was gonna prank him, but I can't bother to keep doing that.
Well, nothing stood out for me, Nothing
Really?
stood out. I mean, you mentioned the 3 things that,
Because you've been supporting me in all of these.
yeah, when you see one, you see the other. That's what a lot of you don't know.
Yeah.
And
I have another one.
what?
Another thing that stood out for me that includes Brian is how involved he has gotten in my content. Like our content together.
Oh, you mean
We've managed to
when you're
make a name for ourselves as a couple in terms of online challenges, because you find that now people are tagging us everywhere.
Yeah. Some of you don't mean us no good
challenges.
doing some of these challenges that are crazy.
But that has been good.
Yeah, that's
So people are getting to
I'm more
know
from
Brian
behind
more.
the camera, right?
Right.
And producing, and
Yeah.
I'm more in front of the camera.
yeah, so
So I think that along with your 3,
we're getting to know Brian a little bit more and knowing I'm not only the mad person, and everybody thinks that everything that I come up with, and me just come up with it out of my head. When enough time is Brian give me the ideas or tell me don't do it this way, do it another way. So people are getting to know Brian some more. I think another thing that stands out for Brian, I can't talk for him, because him still not stand out for him, but it stands out for me, for him, is
Indian Brian.
how his it still has to do with social media. And I guess because his presence has improved, his social media following has, grown. His online presence.
From consistently 5,000 to 12,000.
Almost 13,000.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's growing for him as well. And I think the more he, more we do things together and more things he does by himself, it will continue to grow, because Brian's social media was just at one place for a long time. Same with mine until I started doing, content creation. But people are getting to know him more.
It's your time.
Yeah, some people don't recognize me unless Brian is with me.
Yeah,
or they're not sure.
In the supermarket, in the mall today. Oh, finally get to meet you. Where is Vasilia?
Yeah. Yeah, some people, they're not too sure if it's me when they're looking at me. But then if they see Brian, they are sure that it's me. Yes,
or
baby?
they'll come and say, because I see him, I know that it's you. Yes, Mama.
Yes, baby. We're going to make it.
I think maybe that would tie into something standing out for me. How Bella has grown. Bella, from being a silent one to just consistently blowing our minds. We know Brie was consistently doing that.
Yeah.
But Bella just came out of her shell. I guess Bella and I had our breakout year this year.
Yeah.
And we look forward to seeing it continue in 2024. So far, the prospects are looking good. There are some new things that we should have in store for you guys coming up. And overall, I'm just grateful. What are you looking forward to in 2024? In a nutshell, I want to shut off the video now.
Alright, in a nutshell, I'm looking forward to possibly having a bigger presence on TV. That's one. I'm looking mainstream media. I'm looking forward to the Adventures in Mannershill Valley book tour.
Nice.
Across the island, and if the opportunity comes up for overseas, then so that's 3, is it? And 3, I'm looking forward to making more memories with my family. Yeah, I'm the one who loves to plan and think about. I wanted the lighter, man. Yeah, sorry. I'm the one who loves to plan and think about things and what we can do and whatever. Brian is getting there, and he's very willing. So
you hear me, Betty?
yeah, he's very willing. So if I come up with an idea, if it's feasible, he's on board. So that works for me, because I like the planning part. So look forward to making more memories, especially with the girls. I think about Bria, who is going to be 8. Bella is going to be 5. We have 10 more summers with Bria before she's an adult. That's scary.
That's far. That's what I'll say.
No, it's not far.
I'm looking at it that way. I'm looking at them rushing to grow.
It just feels like they're growing up so quickly. And so I'm savoring all the moments. Savoring. But just try savor everything, because I just feel like they're just growing up. It's like one time it feel like, because they were so small and things were so hectic, and you try balance and my emotions and this and that from having children, and my body changing and my mind changing and my emotions changing, everything changing, and sometimes I just feel like blah, 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 blah. So everything just kind of mellowing out. I told Brian that last year coming into this year was when I began to feel like myself again after having children. So I think with that has come a kind of new lease on life kind of thing. Alright, your turn.
I'm just looking to see where God carries me. I'm grateful. Looking in advance, I'm looking forward to getting some more books out there. You'll know more about that in time. I'm looking forward to spending my 10th year as your husband. And I'm looking forward to your big son. I'm looking forward to I just looking forward to seeing God blow our minds. Yeah.
I'm looking forward to it.
So let us know what you're looking forward to. We thank you for your love, for your support, for everything that you've been doing, for just telling somebody else about us, for liking, supporting, commenting. And we wish for you an amazing 2024. And we love all that God has in store. Amen. And all that comes through life's door, and much, much more lyrics.
Skodam!
Yeah.
We love you guys.
We love you. And we appreciate you. Tenants, see you later.
Later.